Hello friends, welcome back to another episode here of Flavors and Knowledge. I'm your host, Chef Walter Potenza. Today, briefly, the 5 mistakes when we go food shopping. So let me start with what I think is the number one, not making a shopping list. One of the most common mistakes people make when shopping is not making really a list beforehand. This can lead, of course, to buying unnecessary items, often forgetting essential items and overspending. Number 2, shopping on an empty stomach. When you're hungry can be a recipe for disaster, as you are more likely to buy unhealthy snacks and impulse items you usually wouldn't purchase in another situation. And the 3, not comparing prices, which is another common mistake we all make, not comparing between brands and stores. You could be, of course, taking advantage of better deals and all discounts. As you know, supermarkets love to compete against each other. Number 4, falling for the marketing tactics. And this is where supermarkets use various marketing policies and tactics to entice customers into buying more, such as placing high-profit items at eye level or different offerings such as the buy one and get one free deal on product you really don't need. Being aware of these tactics can help you make more informed purchasing decisions and often much healthier. Number 5 and last, not checking the expiration dates. That is a touchy subject here in the United States because the FDA have never really instructed or educated the consumer on this particular topic. And so I'm suggesting for you to always check the expiration dates of the items you buy, especially perishable goods like dairy, meat, and produce. Buying expiring products can not only be wasteful, but it can also pose health risks, as you know. I'm only giving you 5. I'm sure there are several more, and we'll come back to you in a future episode to expand our list. That is all here for this episode of Flavors and Knowledge. I hope it was to your enjoyment. Thanks for listening. We'll chat with you the next time.